Let's look at one of those little things that we did before we steamed her up in October. One of those things never ever one thinks of. How to make the firebox very resilient to fire. Let's listen to Chris.
We're taking this glass, we've broken bottles, and now we take and grind it down into a finer powder. So as we grind, take these into smaller pieces. We in turn dump them into this screen. We sift out our fines, and then we end up with that fine glass. This glass is going to be mixed with a mortar that's spread inside the firebox. They're going to fire the locomotive or fire in the firebox, get the heat up, and it will glaze all the bricks that were laid in the firebox.
Surface that protects the fire brick.
The glass is added in several iterations, and Marty just knows when he has the perfect mix. It looks pretty unassuming, just like any mortar, but it is really protecting the fire brick once it's fired up during the heat up, as we did in October, and then it's gonna get nicely glazed over. I forgot to get a picture, sorry. We hope you liked this little snippet. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.